everyone, and welcome back to this channel. And today I'm answering the question, can I use Splitit anywhere? Now you might have had this question. Well, this video is definitely for you. Splitit aims to be widely accessible, but you cannot use it absolutely anywhere just yet. Think of it like this: Splitit needs to be offered as a payment option by the specific website or store you're shopping at. Here's a breakdown for you. Now, these are places where you can use Splitit. Online stores partnering with Splitit, that's the first place you can use Splitit. So this is the primary way you use Splitit. Many e-commerce websites have integrated Splitit into their checkout process. You will see it as a payment option alongside credit cards and other methods. Some examples of merchants that have partnered with Splitit include My Protein, House of Bling, Sundays, Canyon Bicycles, and Simba Sleep. Now keep an eye out for the Splitit option when you're checking out online. The next place you can use Splitit is potentially in store. That is less common. While their roots are in e-commerce, Splitit is expanding, so some physical stores that offer buy now pay later options might also use Splitit. This often involves the store associated initiating the Splitit payment plan. Then the third place you can get it is through payment links. Some merchants might send you a direct payment link via email or SMS that include the Splitit as an option. Now, when you cannot use Splitit yet, I'm going to give you a place where you can't use Splitit yet. We have the first place, which is any website or store that does not offer it. If a retailer hasn't partnered with Splitit and integrated it into their payment system, you won't see it as an option. Also, the second place you cannot use Splitit for now is directly splitting payments without integration. What I mean is you cannot just go to any website and somehow force a Splitit transaction if it's not an integrated payment method. And lastly, remember that Splitit works with your existing credit card, not these other types of cards like debit cards, prepaid cards, or FSA, HSA cards. So think of it this way. Just like you can only use PayPal on websites that offer it as a payment method, the same goes for Splitit. The number of merchants offering Splitit is growing, so you will likely see it on more and more sites over time. Now, here's to know if a website accepts Splitit. Look at the checkout page. When you are ready to pay, check the available payment options. If the website partners with Splitit, you should see it listed there. Then lastly, check for Splitit logo. Some websites might display the Splitit logo on their product pages or in their website footer to indicate that they offer it. So while Splitit isn't everywhere yet, it's becoming increasingly common on e-commerce sites. So keep an eye out for it at checkout. It's as simple as that.